Hi there, welcome to our channel Advanced English Academy. Today's lesson is all about phrasal verb. Let's get started. Firstly, the question arises, what is phrasal verb? It's a 2 to 3 word verb as you can see on the screen, a verb plus a particle. Okay, but first you must know the meaning of the particle because the verb is always modified by the particle. Okay. A particle is a word that is joined with the verb to make sense. As you can see on your screen, what I want to get across to you right now is the particle of. As an example is given, put off. Put is a verb and off is a particle. If put goes with off, the meaning changes. So the put off means postpone. If I say I put off my trip, I am saying I postponed my trip. So just remember, the particle looks like a preposition but it does not function as a preposition. Okay? What does the particle of means? Basically there are two meanings for the particle of. It either means movement away or preventing. Alright, let's start with the first part, which is movement away. This part consists of see off, make off, set off and scare off. So let's talk about the first one, which is see off. If I'm going to see you off, it basically means you are going somewhere. Maybe you are flying back to India or a place you want to visit. Suppose I go to the airport and stand there, your plane is taking off and our whole family is waving at me. Well, at that time, we are seeing you off. Like we are seeing you leave off, get off the ground and fly in the sky. When you see someone off, you are going to see them go away, alright? They are moving away from you. It also means to chase or force someone away from a place. I have given example. You can see on the screen, the police finally saw them off. It means the police ran after the thief and finally caught them. Now let's talk about make off. Make off means to escape or not get caught. It also means to steal. So when you make off with something, it means you escaped from punishment or you stole something. You can see on your screen, they broke free and made off in a stolen car. It means the thief ran away in a stolen car to escape from punishment. Fine. Now move to the next phrasal verb, set off. Set off means to begin or let go or release. Fine. For example, I went to work at 9 in the morning. It means I left the house at 9 in the morning, or I can say I set off. Right? Because it's a movement away from my house. Another example you can take, if you set off for school, it means you are leaving for school. Understood? Now move to scare off. It means to make something afraid so it moves away. Right? If your dog pees in front of you, you try to scare your animal off by saying get out of here. So this is the movement away. You are scaring your animal off. We use off to help describe emotions also, the happy and the sad ones. If I talk about get off, it means to have emotional excitement or enjoyment. So if you get off on reading books or good music, it means you enjoy it. Like you enjoy reading books or you enjoy listening to good music. Fine. Okay. Now move to tell them off, or you can say tell off. Tell off means let my anger come out. It also means to speak angrily to somebody for doing something wrong. Right? For example, I'm going to tell you off, you have done something wrong, and in a very strong word, I'm going to tell you what you have done. As you can see an example, I told the boys off for making so much noise. It means I scolded the boys for not making noise. Again, those people you tell them off, they do it again. You tell them off, they do it again. Then you say, that's it, I'm pissed off. Now, what does piss off means? I think you understood. It means angry. Like you stop talking to others or use a rude way of telling someone to go away. Fine. Another example you can take, If you have not submit your report, it's been a week or it's been a month, and your boss says, if you will not submit the report on time, I'll throw you away. That's how we roll. So this means your boss is pissed off from you. The particle of also means preventing or release or detach, which I will tell you in my next video. So be with us. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel. Do not forget it. Thank you.